Profend Nasal Decolonization, SSI Protection Simplified. Proactively defend your patients. Profend Nasal Decolonization is quick, easy, neat, effective, and compliance assured. Be the difference. It's quick, 4 swab sticks, 15 seconds per swab stick, fast 60-second application, up to 2.5 times faster than other PVP iodine products, significantly faster time to full efficacy than antibiotics. It's easy. The PVP iodine swab stick is self-contained, pre-saturated, and ready to go. Simple and convenient to use. Just snap and swab. Small profile nasal swab for patient comfort. Preferred over competitors by more than 90% of clinicians. It's neat. Dry handle design minimizes mess for both staff and patient. 100% of clinicians felt their patients would prefer to use Profend Nasal Decolonization compared to other PVP iodine nasal decolonization products. It's effective. PVP iodine is a proven antiseptic against Staph aureus and MRSA. Profend kills 99.7% of Staph aureus at 1 hour and 99.9% at 12 hours. There is no evidence of bacterial resistance, ensuring it remains a valuable asset even as pathogens evolve. It's compliance assured. Applied by a clinician. A single application prior to surgery versus multiple antibiotic applications by the patient at home. Profend Nasal Decolonization, effective in 1 minute. Proactively defend your patients and facility today. Speak with your PDI sales representative or visit pdihc.com/profend.